Hello everyone. Now in our fluid mechanics and hydraulics, today we are going to see our next chapter, very most important chapter, bouncy and flotation. So in this chapter, some content are included. The first is bouncy, second center of bouncy, then some example of bouncy and bouncy, center of bouncy, then melacenter and melacentric height, experimental method for the determination of the metacentric height, analytical method for the determination of the metacentric height, stability of submerged and floating bodies. So in stability of submerged and floating bodies, we see condition of equilibrium of submerged body, condition of equilibrium of floating body, oscillation of floating body, then pressure in case of accelerated rigid body motion, liquid in a container subject to a uniform acceleration in the horizontal direction, liquid in a container subjected to uniform acceleration in the vertical direction, liquid in a container subject to a uniform acceleration along inclined plane, then liquid in a container subject to a constant rotation. Example highlights and some exercise. So first is what is bouncy. So when a body is immersed in a fluid, an upward force exerted by the fluid on the body. This upward force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. This tendency for an immersed body to be lifted up in the fluid is known as bouncy. ठीक है कि फुल्ली कंटेनर है, कंटेनर के अंदर लिक्विड भरा है, लिक्विड के अंदर हम कोई मटेरियल डालेंगे। एट द टाइम जो मटेरियल की वजह से जो मटेरियल के अंदर लिक्विड का जो फोर्स लगेगा उस फोर्स को हम क्या बोलेंगे? बाउंसी फोर्स। सो when a body immersed in a fluid, an upward force is exerted by the fluid on the body. This upward force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. This tendency for an immersed body to be lifted up in the fluid is known as bouncy. The upward force exerted by the fluid tending to lift up the body is known as buoyant force or a force of bouncy or a upthrust. So now next is Archimedes principle. Whenever a body is immersed wholly or partially in a fluid, it is lifted up by a force equal to the weight of fluid displaced by the body. ठीक है कि whenever body, ठीक है, किसी भी बॉडी को हम इमर्स करेंगे होली और पार्शली इन अ फ्लूइड के अंदर हम पूरा या थोड़ा उसको हम इमर्स करेंगे। सो एट दैट टाइम इट इज़ लिफ्टेड अप बाय द फोर्स। ये लिफ्टेड होगा बाय फोर्स इक्वल टू द वेट ऑफ द फ्लूइड। ठीक है, ये लिफ्टेड कैसे होगा? बाय इक्वल टू द वेट ऑफ द फ्लूइड डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय द बॉडी। ठीक है, सो इट इज़ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल। Whenever a body is immersed wholly or partially in a fluid, it is lifted up by a force equal to the weight of fluid, displaced by the body. Okay? So here consider a body partially submerged in a liquid by density rho is shown in figure. ठीक है, चलो अब हमें कंसिडर करना है बॉडी पार्शली सबमर्ज इन अ लिक्विड जिसकी डेंसिटी होगी रो एज शोन इन फिगर। द बॉडी इज सब्जेक्टेड टू फोर्स। बॉडी के अंदर टू फोर्सेस लगेंगे, वेट ऑफ बॉडी एक्टिंग डाउनवर्ड और ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। वेट ऑफ अ बॉडी एक्टिंग डाउनवर्ड और अ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, बायन फोर्स एक्टिंग अपवर्ड। तो एफ बी इज इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू। सो आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल क्या है कि वेन एवर अ बॉडी इमर्स होली और पार्शली इन अ फ्लूइड, it is lifted up by a force equal to the weight of fluid displaced by the body. Now consider a body partially submerged in a liquid of density rho as shown in figure. The body is subject to two forces. First, weight of body acting downward or gravitational force. Buoyant force acting upward. Buoyant force acting upward Fb. So Fb is equal to W. The upward force exerted by liquid is equal to the weight of liquid displaced by the body. So Fb is equal to weight of liquid displaced by the body, rho into G into volume of liquid displaced by the body. So rho into G into B into H into L. B into H into L. Where rho equal to density of liquid, B equal to width of body, H depth of body immersed in a liquid, L length of body, H height of body. W equal to rho into G, where W equal to specific weight of liquid. Center of buoyancy. The center of buoyancy is the point through which the force is buoyancy is supposed to act. The center of buoyancy is the point through which the force is buoyancy is supposed to act. As the force of buoyancy is a vertical force and is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body, the center of buoyancy will be the center of gravity of the displaced fluid. Depending upon the ratio of weight of body and the bound force, three cases are possible. W is greater than Fb, the body tends to move downward and eventually sinks. W equal to Fb, the body float and only partially submerged. W is less than Fb, the body is lifted upward and rise to the surface. Body immersed in a two fluid. When a body float at a surface of separation between two immiscible fluid of definite ρ1 and ρ2 is shown in figure. Let V1 equal to volume of body immersed in a fluid 1, V2 volume of body immersed in a fluid 2. Force of buoyancy on a body due to fluid 1 to Fb1 equal to ρ1 gV1. Force of buoyancy on a body due to fluid 2 Fb2 equal to ρ2 gV2. Total upward bound force Fb equal to Fb1 plus Fb2. So ρ1 gV1 plus ρ2 gV2. So weight of body W equal to rho gV. For equilibrium, weight of body equal to upward bound force W equal to Fb. Rho gV equal to ρ1 gV1 plus ρ2 gV2. Rho v equal to ρ1 v1 plus ρ2 v2. Example. The first example is find the volume of water displaced and position of center of buoyancy for a wooden block of a width 2.5 meter and depth 1.5 meter. When it floats horizontally on water, the density of wooden block is 700 kg meter cube and length is 5 meter. So here dimension of block B equal to 2.5 meter, height H 1.5 meter, L 5.0 meter. Dimension of block B 2.5 meter, H 1.5 meter, L 5.0 meter. Volume of wooden block V so is equal to 2.5 into 1.5 into 5. So it is 18.75 meter cube. 18.75 meter cube. So density of wood is equal to 700 kilogram meter cube. So weight of wooden block rho g into V, 700 into 9.81 into 18.75. So weight of wooden block is a 128756 Newton. For equilibrium, weight of water displaces weight of wooden block, so it is 12,8756 Newton. Volume of water displaced is equal to weight of water displaced upon weight density of water. So weight of water displaced 128756 upon 1000 into 9.81. So volume of water displaced 13.125 meter cube. Now position of center of bouncy. Let H equal to depth of a wooden block in a water. Volume of wooden block in water equal to volume of water displaced. So it is 2.5 into H into 5. So it is 13.125. H equal to 1.05 meter. So center of bouncy is at a height. So is equal to 1.05 divided by 2. So it is 0.525 meter above the base. Now second example, a wooden block of 4 meter by 1 meter of 0.5 meter in a size and a specific gravity is 0.75 is floating in water. Find the weight of concrete of specific weight 24 kilonewton meter cube that may be placed on a block which will immerse in the wooden block completely. So first of all, dimension is given. So dimension of wooden block is B equal to 1 meter यानी कि breadth, H is equal to 0.5 meter height and length L is equal to 4 meter. So first of all, calculated volume of wooden block. So V equal to 1 into 0.5 into 4, so it is 2 meter cube. Density of wood rho equal to 0.75 into 1000, so it is 750 kg per meter cube. Weight of wooden block is equal to rho g into V, so rho equal to 750 into g 9.81 into 2. So W1 is equal to 14715 Newton, so 14.715 kilonewton. So weight of the concrete W2, so total weight of block and concrete acting downward, so it is 14.715 plus W2. Now when the wooden block is completely immersed in a water, volume of water displaced is equal to 2 meter cube. So upward bound force is equal to 9.81 into 2, so it is 19.62 किलो न्यूटन. दोनों इक्वेशन को हम इक्वेटिंग करेंगे. सो 14.715 प्लस W2 इक्वल टू 19.62, सो W2 इक्वल टू 4.905 किलो न्यूटन. इट इज़ वेट ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट. ठीक है. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड आउट बाउंसी, फोर्स एंड सेंटर ऑफ बाउंसी. ठीक है. So what is bouncy? When a body is immersed in a fluid, an upward force exerted by the fluid on the body. The upward force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. This tendency for an immersed body to be lifted up in the fluid is known as bouncy. The upward force exerted by the fluid tending to the lift up the body is known as buoyant force or force of bouncy. Archimedes principle. When our body is immersed wholly or partially in a fluid, it is lifted up by a force equal to the weight of fluid displaced by the body. When our body is immersed wholly or partially in a fluid, it is lifted up by the force equal to the weight of fluid displaced by the body. ठीक है. The body is subjected to force. First is weight of body acting downward or gravitational force, bound force acting upward force. The upward force exerted by the liquid is equal to the weight of liquid displaced by the body FB is equal to weight of liquid displaced by the body, rho into G into volume of liquid displaced by the body. So it is rho into G BHL.